Okay, so you've seen a lot of water coming down the wall here. So I can see that these two supply lines are going up. Looks like they got PV pipe here. So that's going up to the sink above. So I've got them off right now because water was just pouring down. So it's everywhere. So let's go up and look upstairs real quick. Okay, so located the leak up here, and all right. So what had happened is one of these pipes here had come loose from the T fitting. It broke off. So what we're going to do, because this is PB, which is polybutylene piping, we're going to take and use the PEX B. But in order to do that correctly, we're going to go ahead and use these right here. These are transitions. So what we do, I don't see polybutylene very often, but as you can see, there is a difference, slight difference in the size between PEX and that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take these, we're going to put them onto each of the PVs, put some PEX in between, and put a new T in. So that's what we're going to do here. Three of them to join. So here we are. Boop, boop, boop. We got the T for the PEX. Alright, so here we go. We got three of them. PEX T, PEX T. We got the PEX. Alright, we got the PEX cutter. And here we go. Okay, so first thing is we're going to let's just go ahead and see if it's really a tight fit with this in the way. Oh. Ooh. Alright, so let's trim this all back. Trim it back. Okay, not a lot of room on this one, but we can probably trim it right about there. Alright. Okay, so we don't have a lot of room here to work with. We do not have a lot of room. So, okay, so that one should be in. All right, now we're gonna actually. Not a lot of room here, so we're gonna have to cut these back to make some room for the T. So we're probably gonna have to come up, or actually go back like, let me see, quite a bit here. Let's come back right about there, and then maybe come up to here. Okay. so if I were to, I still don't think that's enough. I'm probably gonna have to come up more yet to make sure there was enough room for everything. So, man, it's hard to get in here. All right, so, all right, there we go. All right, boom. There we go on that. Now we should have enough room. Let's put the tea in. So we'll put it like, boop. Yeah, I think this is still too close. Still too close. So let's bring this back a little bit more yet. Alright, so now we should have plenty of room. Just getting in here is the hard part. Alright, so boom. Alright, boom. Okay, those are in there. Okay. Come back. So that's what we got now. 3 transitional connectors, enough room to put the T in the middle with some PEX. So let's do that next. Okay, so we've got the T made up with the PEX, and we're going to now, lock it into those, and we're gonna have to, measure out and cut where we want it at. So let's do that next. All right, so the water's running. No more leaks under here at all. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Same over here. Let's run all the water and then go downstairs real quick. Make sure there's no leak on that wall. There we go. No more leaks coming down. Good to go. Yep, dry.